Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by removing the Airtag from the existing Apple ID so you can pair it to a new one. Open the Find My app, tap Items, select the Airtag, then scroll and choose Remove Item. You need to be signed into the current Apple ID. If you aren't, authenticate. Once removed, reset the Airtag by pressing until a sound confirms. This clears the link and makes it discoverable for the next account. Next, sign out of the previous Apple ID on the device if necessary, and sign into the new Apple ID you want the Airtag associated with. Once signed in, keep the Airtag within a few inches of your iPhone and open Find My. The app will detect the Airtag and show a pairing card. Tap Connect, choose or create a name, and confirm ownership. Make sure Bluetooth and location services are enabled so the item. To finish, confirm the Airtag is listed under Items in Find My and verify location updates and sound playback work. This proves the Airtag now belongs to your new Apple ID. If anything seems off, first sign out and back into iCloud, then reset the Airtag by pressing until you hear the multiple sounds and repeat the removal and pairing process. If problems persist, restart your iPhone. Often network or Bluetooth resets resolve lingering registration issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.